Join us for another mind-bending episode of Space Countdown. Today we navigate the cosmic labyrinth of mysteries with an expert guide. We present to you Captain Leo Orion, astronaut and pioneer, who will be your personal cosmic mentor in this expedition. With his profound understanding of cosmic concepts and exceptional talent in simplifying intricate theories, Captain Orion is here to help us unravel the enigmatic universe. From the quantum consciousness field to network, he will decode the farthest-reaching theories that push the boundaries of our perception of reality, so buckle up. As we embark on this thrilling odyssey across the cosmos, we encourage you to remain receptive. Who knows? You might just discover a new reality. Don't forget to subscribe to Space Countdown for more stellar adventures. Have you ever wondered if the universe is more than just matter and energy? It's a question that has intrigued great minds for centuries, leading to a plethora of theories that go beyond our conventional understanding. Today, we're going to delve into 5 such ideas that challenge our perception of reality. First, we'll explore the quantum consciousness field, a hypothesis proposing consciousness as a fundamental property of the universe, interacting with matter at a quantum level. Next, we'll look at multidimensional time, a concept that breaks away from our linear understanding of time. Then we'll delve into the idea of self-replicating universes, where new universes are born from existing ones. We'll also touch on the informational singularity, suggesting that the universe at its most basic level is composed of units of information. Finally, we'll examine the cosmic neural network, proposing that the universe functions similar to a neural network in a brain. So are you ready? Dive in as we unravel these profound concepts. Imagine if consciousness is not just a byproduct of the brain, but a fundamental property of the universe. Welcome to the world of the quantum consciousness field hypothesis. This theory suggests that consciousness, much like gravity or electromagnetism, is a basic building block of the cosmos. It's a field, unseen and untouched by current scientific tools, yet possibly interacting with matter at a subatomic level. Think about the mysteries of quantum mechanics, the strange behavior of particles, their ability to be in multiple places at once, the uncanny connections that exist between them. Could these unexplained phenomena be the result of interactions with a consciousness field? Could such a field provide the bridge between the physical world and the realm of the mind, offering a fresh perspective on the nature of consciousness itself? Could this be the missing link in our understanding of consciousness? What if time is not a straight line, but a web of multiple dimensions? This question brings us to our next big idea, multidimensional time. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of time as a simple linear progression. Imagine, if you will, that time exists in multiple dimensions, interacting with each other to create complex temporal phenomena that go beyond our standard cause and effect. This concept isn't just mind-bending, it has the potential to shine a light on the shadowy paradoxes that plague our current theories of time travel. Could it be that what we've perceived as paradoxes are simply interactions between different dimensions of time that we're not yet equipped to understand? Moreover, multidimensional time could offer us a new perspective on the nature of time itself. If time isn't a single thread but a multidimensional web, our understanding of the universe and our place in it could be fundamentally altered. Could time be a complex web of dimensions that we are just beginning to understand? What if our universe is just one of many offspring in a cosmic evolution? Let's dive into the mind-boggling concept of self-replicating universes. Picture this, a universe where, under certain conditions, a fresh universe can spring forth from an existing one. It's a bit like a cosmic Russian doll, where each universe carries within it the potential for countless others. These offspring universes could inherit or even mutate the physical laws from their parent universes. Imagine universes where gravity behaves differently or where time flows in a completely unique pattern. This concept could be a cosmic form of evolution, where universes with stable laws persist and multiply, while unstable universes gradually fade into oblivion. This radical idea could open a new window into the nature of reality itself, challenging our understanding of what a universe is and how it behaves. Could this be the key to understanding the birth, evolution, and diversity of universes? What if the universe operates like a colossal quantum computer? Imagine a reality where our traditional understanding of matter and energy is not the fundamental building block of existence. Instead, envision a universe where the most basic element is information itself. This is the concept of informational singularity. This theory proposes that the universe at its most elementary level is composed of units of information. These units aren't physical entities that we can touch or see, but rather they are abstract constructs that define the properties and behaviors of the universe. Think of these units as the binary code of the cosmos, the ones and zeros that underpin all of existence. But what's truly fascinating about this idea is its potential to bridge the gap between quantum mechanics and relativity, two of the most prominent theories in physics that, despite their success, remain fundamentally incompatible. Quantum mechanics, the science of the very small, and relativity, the science of the very large, could both be expressions of this deeper information-based reality. In this view, the universe operates like a gigantic quantum computer. It's not just processing matter and energy, but it's processing and evolving through these fundamental units of information. It's a perspective that challenges our everyday intuition, but it's a perspective that could reveal the most profound truths about the nature of reality. Could this be the most fundamental level of our universe? Could the universe function like a giant brain? A question that may seem outlandish, but when we delve into the concept of the cosmic neural network, it might not be as far-fetched as it seems. Picture the universe as we know it. Galaxies, stars, nebulae, and all manner of cosmic structures, each with their unique roles, yet all part of a vast interconnected web. Much like the neurons in our brains, these celestial bodies could be seen as nodes in a grand cosmic network, exchanging information and influencing each other across unimaginable distances. This concept suggests that the universe, at its most extensive scale, operates similarly to a neural network. Just as our brains process information, learn, and evolve over time, so too could the universe. This idea opens the door to a fresh understanding of the universe's structure and its progression throughout the eons. It's a theory that could potentially explain the complex behaviors we observe in the cosmos. Patterns of galaxy formation, the clustering of dark matter, even the propagation of gravitational waves could all be part of this cosmic information processing system. This view of the universe as a cosmic neural network may even imply a form of collective consciousness on a cosmic scale, a thought that is as mind-boggling as it is fascinating. Could this be a new perspective on the interconnectedness of the cosmos? Only time and the relentless pursuit of knowledge will tell. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.